Okay guys, I will take you with me today for my room tour, and I want your guys opinion, what you guys think about my setup. So this is my setup from the back. My camera is not filming it the best. Yeah, but anyway, I have this ultra wide screen which is, I don't know why, going on and off. It's going on and off, on and off. Okay, trying to turn it on again. Yeah, that stand I use for my phone. That's the ultra wide screen. Can I zoom out? No. This is my PC, for personal PC. That's my work PC, and that's the stand I use when I'm filming or in the gym. That's my room, very simple. That's the stand in the back which I use for the projector. And yeah, this is my wardrobe. It's a very small room, and that's the printer. That's an extra screen, I don't know where to put it. And in between that is the heater when it's very cold, even though I have heating. That's my little fan. I think the best thing I have ever bought. It's been 3 years, 5 years. Yeah, it's broken. Yeah, it has been with me since forever. Not thinking to buy a new one, but because it's working good. And yeah, I have Apple mouse, but I would always go with this one because I don't know, it's very light and I really like it, and it's faster. I used to really like Apple, but I think this one is better now. My choice is this one. I don't know, you guys can tell me if you agree or disagree. And yeah, that's my headphones. Sorry for the bad angle because I'm learning how to record with this new camera I bought. It was very expensive, honestly, but you know, I wanted to reward myself. And yes, it's a DJI Pocket 3. And also for the people who want to know if it's good and they want to buy, I think it has a pretty good quality. And this is an LG screen which is not turning on. I hope oh my god. Okay, now it has turned on. Okay, I cannot. Yes, you can see. And yeah, that's it. Let me know, guys, what should I change, or I'm thinking about buying a new chair. I don't know which one. Can you help me choose a new chair? Because this is from the dining table and I couldn't find a chair for myself. Yeah, let me know. It's dirty as well, I think. Sorry for that. I want a nice chair. Please let me know a budget chair because I'm not looking to spend a lot. And let me know your opinions about my room. And yeah, and let me know how I can improve my videos as well. Thank you.